Today, I'm showing you guys how to make one of my favorite easy breakfasts, savory oatmeal. Oats don't have to be plain or sweetened. Oats don't have any flavor and can be made savory in a pinch. I often eat this as a snack or as a lunch option. If I'm having it as part of my meal, I would add a slice of toast to add more satisfaction and calories. I find this savory breakfast oatmeal super delicious and satisfying. It puffs up to be very voluminous and it's super filling since it's packed with fiber, protein, and some fat. It's a well-rounded breakfast since it has carbs, protein, fiber, and even calcium. The savory oatmeal takes less than 5 minutes to make. The important tip is to use a very large bowl or it will overflow and make a big mess in your microwave. A serving of this is only 340 calories, has 38 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. The protein is from the egg whites and cottage cheese. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.